Hello everyone, welcome back to 100 Days of Coding with Derrick-Redeemer. This is day 6 of our coding journey. So let's do some recap what we did in the previous day or in the previous video. So in day 5, we learned how to use line breaks and horizontal rules to organize text or content on a web page. So this is a line break tag. This is what we learned in day 5. We also learned about this one where I said the HR without the forward slash is the open tag for horizontal rule, and then with the forward slash, this one here is what the closing tag for horizontal rule. All right, today we are going to learn how to make text stand out using HTML text formatting style or tags. Tags. This tags helps us emphasize important words and make our web page more attractive and easier to read. So what we are going to do today, we are going to make our users read we are going to make the web page easier for our users to read. So let's get started. Now, before we move, let's explain what text formatting is. So text formatting simply means changing the appearance of a text to give it more meaning or emphasis. For example, when reading a book, you may see bold words, italic words, underlined words. HTML allows us to do the same thing. Today we'll learn the bold text, the italic text, the underlined text. In the previous video, I told you the H1 is not meant for this one. All right, let's look at the bolding of text. To bold a text, to make a text bold, we use the tag B. So let me open the index. Going to open this one here. So after that, practicals. All right, so this one, the B. So let me change my language. The B. So B, this one here. This one. So let me click here. This B here, this one, this B, this is used for bold. That's the bold tag. So example, let's say I have a paragraph. So let me clear that one there and let's start over. All over. So P, that's a paragraph. Then I love HTML. So I love HTML. So that we are going to make the HTML bold. So I love HTML. I love HTML. So we are going to make what this one bold, the HTML bold. I told you the B is used for bold. That's the bold tag. So I open my tags and B, I close my tag. And here, let me clear that one from there. All right. So I have what this one here. This has the open bold. Then this one too has the what the closing tag for bold. Here. So let me open with a live server. Let me open with a live server for you to see. Yeah, so I love what HTML. I love HTML. This one, this is the paragraph, and I've used what the bold tag to bold what this particular one here, the bold. All right. Now let's try one example here. So imagine your wife or your mother sends you to the market and says buy tomatoes. So the buy tomatoes, you are going to make the tomatoes what bold. So P. So I have it there already. So buy tomatoes. So tomatoes. Buy tomatoes. So let me clear this one from here. Then make here bold. So B. Here. Then done. Now let me open it again. Now you can see I have the paragraph here and then tomatoes. This one here is being what bold. All right. Now let's look at other one too. That's italic text. So to make text italic, we must use this tag, the I tag. So the I tag, this one here. This is for what italic. This is the open tag for italic, and this is for the closing tag for what italic. All right. So let me try an example here. So I am learning. Let's say I'm learning web development. So I'm learning web development. A paragraph. So paragraph. So let's say I'm learning. Then the italic. So here, let me clear that particular one from here. I am learning. Then web development. Then I close what my tag here. So here. So that's how to do it. So I have my paragraph here, then italic. So let me move a space. So here, italic. Then I have the closing italic. Then I close what my tag, my paragraph for tag. Now let's open it again. Now you can see I have what I am learning web development. I am learning web development. Now the italic text usually appears slanted, and you can see that the web development has appeared slanted in a slanted form. Here. Then So let's try another example as well. Let's say my teacher said the test will be easy, and the easy will be what? Will be in italic form or slanted form. So paragraph P. So P, I told you P is paragraph. So my teacher, that's my teacher. My teacher said. My teacher said. So my teacher said the test will be easy. Will be easy. So let's like make the easy italic. So easy. So let's say easy. All right. Now let's open it again. Let's open our browser. So now I have what my teacher said the test will be easy. Now the easy here is what mean italic. So you can see that it's what slanted. All right. Let's go to the underline text. Underline text. So to underline text, we use the U tag. That's underline tag. The U. So this one here. So this U. So this one. I have this one. Sorry. Now that's it here. I have the U. This one. This particular one here. I have this. So sorry. I have this, and I have what? This as well. I have this as well. That's for what? The closing tag for underline. And yeah, so let me clear everything from here. Let me clear this one from here. Let me clear this one from here. Then we do this example. This is important. Let's say this is important. This is important. That will be our tag. Sorry, our paragraph. So P. This is important. This is important. So let's underline the importance. So I told you the U is for underline. So underline and I close. Now let's open our web browser. Let's open our web browser. Now you can see this is what important. And here, this is what important. Know that you don't use a horizontal rule for underline. Horizontal rule is a different thing. All right. Let's try this example here. This particular example. Let's say exam date. That's Monday. Then you add the rest. So exam date. So a paragraph. That's a paragraph P. So okay. So paragraph exams date. Sorry. Exams date. Let's say, yeah, let me choose this one here. So let me clear this one from here. I want to underline this particular one. I don't want time. So I'm going to underline the date. So U. So less than, then you close. Then here. So let's go to our web browser and refresh the page. Now, exams date, I have what? 2023, 15. So 15th October. So let me change it to 2026. Okay. So why text formatting is important? Let's look at why text formatting is important. So text formatting helps us to highlight important information on the web page, improve readability, make web page look professional, guide the readers with attention as well. Now, these are the very important. Without formatting, all text looks the same thing. All the text will look the same. Readers may miss important information as well, or the users will miss important information. Let's look at common mistakes we make when we are using text formatting or when we are formatting texts. Mistake one, we use bold everywhere. So for example, instead of you bolding the June here, the date, you bold everything from heading 1 to this part, you bold everything there. That's one mistake we do every day. We use bold only for important words like the dates that we have here. Then mistake 2, using underline too much. So the underline, you underline every part, every sentence in the word on the web page. Too many underline words can make a web page look messy. Yes. Use underline only when necessary. You use underline only when necessary. Then formatting entire pages. That's mistake 3. Formatting entire pages. Formatting should emphasize specific information, not every sentence. Only specific information, not every sentence. Now, the 6 challenge or the assignment for the 6. Sorry. So this will be the assignment for the 6 here. This particular one, just this one. So here you create one heading. That's heading 1. One paragraph with bold text, one paragraph with italic text. So bold, text, italic, then consistent. Sorry, underline. Yeah, then you can post your results or your outcome in the comment section below. All right, congratulations. Today you learned bold text using the bold tag, italic text using italic tag, underline text using underline tag, and how to combine formatting tags, how formatting improves readability on a web page. These simple tags make your web pages clearer and attractive to users. The tags we use here, it makes the sentences or the web page clear and attractive to your users. or to the users. I thank you for joining me for day 6 of 100 days of coding with Derrick-Redeemer. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep coding. See you in day 7. Happy coding.